sorry. So, are you okay? Was it too much? I'm sorry. Are you okay? No, I have some sneezing, like a flu.
And then why
No, I'm passing.
you?
Why are you insulting me?
Man.
What did I do wrong? It's just a sneeze. It's just a flu. What did I do? It's a prank. It's a prank. I'm shooting a prank. I'm shooting a prank. I'm shooting.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So sorry, man. I have flu allergies. Sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. Are you good, bro? I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, bro. When my transport comes. Nah, sorry, man. It's water. Look. I'm shooting a prank. Look, this camera. It's water. Look. Look, it's water. Look. Maji. Look, it's water. Look. It's water. I'm pranking you. Sorry, it's water. Bro. Yeah. Hey. Sorry. It's okay. I'm shooting a prank, man. I told you it's water. I'm shooting a prank. Bro, did you get all the fun?
I got everything.
It's a prank. Sorry, I didn't know that. I want to ask, you know I can find this camera.
No.
I'm kind of sick. I have like allergies. You know I can find this camera. I'm sorry. Are you okay? I'll get you also the medicine. I have the variant, the new variant.
What's wrong with you?
I have the new variant. I'm looking for the pharmacy.
What did I do to you to deserve this when I come just with that?
I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. I'm looking for the pharmacy.
Pharmacy them.
I'm sorry. I have the allergies, as I said to you. Don't you have orange?
What do you need?
I'm shooting a prank. I'm sorry. It's water. It's water. Look. It's water. It's water. The camera is there. Look. I'm sorry. Sorry. I have allergies. I wanted to ask for a direction. Do you know where I can find clicks? Where? The street. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I just have like flu, you know. I'm just waiting for my brother. Come. Check this. What would you recommend for me to get? I have like seasonal allergies. See, the season is changing, so I have like seasonal allergies. Sorry. Are you okay? I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. Sorry, I'm actually shooting a prank.
No, what you're disturbing me. I'm sitting.
I'm sorry. I'm just letting you know. I'm just shooting a prank. No, I'm saying I'm shooting a prank. It's a prank. It's water. Look, it's water. Do you see? Look, it's water. I'm not sick. I'm actually pranking you. The camera is there. You see those two guys? There. I'm sorry to disturb you, please. I'm sorry. Excuse me, sir. I just want to ask for direction. I'm sorry. I have like I have allergies. I want to ask for a direction. Do you know where I can find like this camp pharmacy?
Ask him.
Are you okay though? I didn't mean to sneak up. Are you okay? I'm actually shooting a prank. I see you uncomfortable. I'm shooting a prank. The camera is there. It's water. Look. It's water. Look. So I'm sorry, man. Okay, I won't do that again.